Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this tiger video or like any funny animal videos that's been going around. You're just going to type in make me an image of a tiger pointing at a doorbell camera at night, for instance, and then you're going to enter that in ChatGPT and like make it into an image, and then you're going to type in make me a video prompt of that tiger going into frame from the left, for instance. Well, based on that image, I should have probably written that. Then you are going to select this prompt, and then you're going to go to VO3 or any like video generator. Then you're going to go to the text section here and then paste it. If you want, you can also make it like into a Seedens format because that is the like model that they have on VO3. So I'm just going to press yes. And then you're just going to copy that and then paste it. Then you're going to select create. I don't have enough credits for it, but you're just going to select create here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.